guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and whether you want to start vlogging or to simply get more creative, it's always nice to have your own camera. And good thing there are mirrorless cameras now that are more affordable yet still even get the capability to shoot in 4K. So if you're in a pretty tight budget and looking to buy one, here are some of the best mirrorless cameras that you can buy under 30,000 pesos. We'll put the links down below on where you can buy them. However, do note that the prices are subject to change. First up, we have the Canon EOS M50. Now, if you're into vlogging, then this is a good one. It comes with 4K video recording with 5-axis image stabilization, dual pixel CMOS autofocus, 24.1 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, and new Digic 8 image processor. It has a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD as well as a 2.36-inch OLED electronic viewfinder. It also features a built-in Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth. It is priced at 29,240 pesos and comes with a 15 to 45mm kit lens. Second on our list is the Sony Alpha 5100. So the Alpha 5100 shares the same internals as the A6000. It's got a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor, a hybrid autofocus system, and a 3-inch touchscreen display that you can flip upward 180 degrees for self-portrait or vlogging but without the electronic viewfinder. It can shoot up to full HD at 60 frames per second and has support for the XA5 codec, allowing for 1080 over 60p and 24p movies with a 50 Mbps bitrate. It's priced at 28,799 pesos and comes with a 16 to 50mm kit lens. Up next, we have the Fujifilm XD100. The XD100 carries most of the internal features of the XA5 but shares the same design of the XT20. It comes with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, shoots up to 4K video recording at 15 frames per second, and has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Plus, it also has a 3-inch LCD touchscreen that can be tilted 3 ways. It's priced at 26,991 pesos and comes with a 15 to 45mm kit lens. Fourth is another one from Fujifilm, and that's the XA5. So the XA5 comes with a 24.4 megapixel APS-C sensor equipped with the company's very own color reproduction tech and face detection autofocus. It features up to 4K video recording at 15 frames per second, a 3-inch touch display, film simulation modes, and Bluetooth connectivity. It's priced at 22,491 pesos and comes with a 15 to 45mm kit lens. And lastly, we have the Canon EOS M100. The M100 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor together with a Canon Digic 7 processor. It sports a 3-inch LCD touch panel display that offers tilt functionality. It can record up to full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second and time-lapse movies with the push of a button, or use hybrid auto to pull still frames from HD video recording. Also, it features built-in Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth. It's priced at 18,899 pesos and comes with a 15 to 45mm kit lens. And there you go guys, which of these cameras are you eyeing to buy? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.